Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make moringa powder for your hair and for your skin. Without wasting time, let's jump straight into the video. So this is our moringa plant. You can see how fresh it is. So moringa contains many healthful compounds like vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2, B3, folate, calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. Also, it is extremely low in fat and contains no harmful cholesterol. Moringa is believed to have many benefits, and its uses range from health and beauty to helping prevent and cure diseases. So some of the benefits of moringa is protecting and nourishing skin and hair. So like I said earlier in the beginning of the video, that I'll be teaching you how to make moringa powder for your hair and for your skin. So moringa helps protect and nourish your skin and your hair. It helps treating edema. It prevents the liver. It prevents and treats cancer. Some studies show that it prevents and treats cancer. It treats stomach complaints. It fights against bacterial diseases. It makes bones healthier. It treats mood disorder. Moringa is thought to be helpful in treating depression, anxiety, and fatigue. So you can try it out if you are tired, you're fatigued. You can just try it out and see if it works. But study shows that it works for mood disorder. Also, moringa protects cardiovascular system. It helps in healing wounds. It treats diabetes, treats asthma, protects against kidney disease, kidney disorder, disease, and the likes. It reduces high blood pressure, improves eye health, treats anemia and sickle cell diseases. Moringa is a power-packed leaf. It also helps in weight loss. It helps reduce weight gain. It helps to lower cholesterol and blood pressure. It prevents inflammation. It helps the body convert fat into energy. It reduces fatigue and improves energy level. So moringa is very good for your day-to-day activities. You can incorporate it into everything you do. You really enjoy it. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to see it. So at this point, we are going to hair dry it. Note, do not sun dry, hair dry it. So this is it after it has dried. So now I'm going to be grinding it. It took about 2 days to dry. 2 days to dry up like that. So it depends on the weather. It shouldn't take more than 2 to 3 days to dry up. Time to grind. So put it inside your grinder or your blender, then grind it. So this is the first attempt, the first grinding. It remains little. You can see some long stems there. So I'm going to grind it again to be fine, very fine. Then I'll come back to show you the final look. So here we are. This is our moringa powder. So easy to make. All you need to do is just to get the moringa leaf, hair dry, and blend. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.